Good morning, friends. Welcome to the new day. You would be wondering why I'm in this position. But today we are going to learn about new aasan, very easy aasan, but it has a lot of benefits. So let us know what are the benefits of this aasan and what is this aasan. Today we are going to learn about aasan called Makarasan. So this is one of the easiest aasan in the yoga. This has a lot of benefits. So Makrasans help you to reduce tension from your body and mind. This is very effective for the heart diseases. This is very effective for hypertension. So the people suffering from high blood pressure or hypertension, this aasan is very good for them. So let's learn about Makarasan. You need to ensure your elbow are touched to each other, and you have to keep your chin on your palm like this. After that, you need to move your leg one by one like this. After that, you can do with both the legs like this.